Now dear student, we are going to discuss next question, question number 4.12, and in this question it is given to you, in a chamber a uniform magnetic field of 6.5 Gauss is maintained, clear, and an electron is shot into the field with a speed of this one, this is given to you, clear. Obtain the frequency of a revolution of an electron in a circular orbit, clear. So now concentrate on a screen. So actually this is just given situation, we have a chamber and inside the chamber we have uniform magnetic field, clear. So I am assuming, let's suppose I have, this is a chamber, clear, and in this chamber we have uniform magnetic field like this. This is a magnetic field perpendicular inward, clear. Now let's suppose an electron is entered from any side, let's suppose electron enter at the center, clear, or at any position. Let's suppose electron is entering from here, and let's suppose at the time velocity vector of an electron in this direction. So definitely we know whenever we have velocity vector perpendicular to magnetic field, clear, at that time we can say a force will act along the radius and we can say towards the center, clear, and we can say that force, or we can say magnetic force, it behaves just like a centripetal force, clear. So necessary centripetal force is provided by magnetic force. So due to that force we can say this electron move in a circular path like this, clear everyone. And we can say, let's suppose here we have a center, so definitely we can say at any instant force will act in this direction, clear. So now in this question our objective is to calculate frequency of revolution of an electron, clear. So my dear student, actually we know time period t. So we can say time period capital T, this is given by, I can say 2 pi r by v, clear. And we know expression of a radius, this is given by 2 pi by v, I can say r, this is mv by qb, clear. From here we can say v and v is cancelled out. So time period of this revolution or time period of this electron, this is given by 2 pi m divided by qb, clear. Now if I talk about frequency, frequency is equal to 1 by capital T, clear, and this is given by qb divided by 2 pi m, clear. So now this is the expression of frequency, clear. Now actually we can say here velocity term is cancelled out, clear. It means I can say, does the answer depends on speed of an electron? No, because term of a speed is cancelled out, clear. So now we can say frequency, we can write like this, qb divided by 2 pi m, clear. Now value of q means we can say charge is given by that is charge of an electron, so 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 multiply. Now if I talk about b means we can say this is 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 and it is divided by, I can say this is 2 pi and multiply m. Mass is given, we know actually that is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31, clear everyone. Now we can solve it easily, directly we can say 16, this is 10 to the power minus 19, this is 65, and or we can write like this, listen carefully, we can say this is 1.6 into 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 23 divided by, clear, I can say this is 2 pi into 9.1 into, I can say 10 to the power minus 31, clear everyone. Now we can solve it. So frequency of this electron or frequency of this revolution, that is given by f equal to 1.6 into 6.5 into 10 to the power, I can say this is 10 to the power 8, clear, and divided by 2 pi into 9.1, clear. Now we can say here we have 1.6, clear. So you can say, let's suppose this is 0.8, clear everyone, 0.8, clear. So we can say f is given by 0.8 into 6.5 into 10 to the power 8 divided by, I can say this is pi multiply 9.1, clear. Now we have to take here approximation, Clear? So how can we take here approximation? Let's suppose we can say this decimal and this decimal is cancelled out. Clear? So now I can say this value we have, we can say 3.1. Clear? And this is 9.1. So if we multiply both, that is 27 point something. Clear? So 27 point something, it means we can say f, this should be equal to, I am just writing like this, 8 by 10 into 65 divided by pi. I can say this is 22 by 7. I am writing like this. Clear? 8 by 10, 65 divided by pi. Clear? And we can say this is 10 to the power 8 and divided by 91. Clear? So now we can say, we can write like this, this is 1 and this is 3. We can say this one is 5. Clear? I can say this one is 2, this one is 4. Clear everyone? So now here you can say calculation is now becomes very easy. I can say value of f, I can write like this, this is 4 divided by 22 and multiplied with 10 to the power 8, 10 to the power 8. Clear? So now I can say, we can write like this, this is 2 by 11 into 100 into, I can say this is 10 to the power 6 and this value comes in a hertz. Clear? So this is 200 divided by 11 and 10 to the power 6 and this is hertz. Clear? So now I can say value of this frequency, this one is given by, I can say this is 1, we have 9 left, we can say this is 18, clear, we have 2 left, so this is 1. So 18.1 into 10 to the power 6 hertz. Clear? So we can see frequency value is approximately, we can say 18.1 megahertz. Clear? So this is the answer of this question. Clear to everyone? So this is all about this question.